Hey guys, coming at you from the showroom today, talk to you about a cool little product that we've had out for a while, but it's LS Thermostat Housing Adapter. This thing's so cool because it installs so easy and it just works so good. So what it does is it converts over the factory thermostat housing adapter on any LS engine that you're running, from the LS 1, 2, 3, all the 5.3s, 6.0s, 6.2s, whatever. But it takes and just replaces your factory cast water neck. The factory water neck comes out kind of either at a forward angle or a down angle. It never really seems to work out just perfect. It holds a big old ugly rubber hose. Then whenever you're doing custom stuff and put radiators in here, then you got to try to find a rubber hose that will connect from the radiator to this. So this right here makes it a lot easier to where you just use A&N style hoses and fittings. These right here they're a lot easier. Screws right on, no silicone, no nothing, tightens up and it's good to go. Cool thing about our adapter is it actually uses a factory thermostat. We use a Corvette thermostat in them because the Corvette thermostats have a lot of aftermarket support, in the fact of now you can buy your factory temperature or go all the way down to about a 160-degree thermostat. A thermostat helps your engine run at a lot better cooling capacity because it actually regulates the water as it's going through the block, and it makes it hold into the radiator and water pass through the fins, and it doesn't just let it continuously run and actually go through the radiator too fast to cool it. So with the housing running the thermostats, where we've had the best luck out of cooling off LS vehicles, we run a ton of Dash 16s. Guys started Dash for the Dash 20s, a lot of your short course racers and stuff like that. So we came out and made a Dash 20. We have both of them. We keep plenty of stock on both of them. Stupid reliable part. It's just dead simple. It works great. We've got the way we convert the top port right now is we're welding an aluminum bung on it. It's super cheap, super easy for us. I know everybody at home can't weld aluminum, so a lot of guys will buy a steel bung and weld to the stainless steel nipple. We would rather see you do an aluminum bung, even if you got to take it to a welding shop and weld it straight to the water pump. Converts everything over, makes all your hoses look a lot better, all the routing, everything else, it just works a lot better out. So anyways, they're on the website, go check them out. They're cheap enough, easy enough, 2 bolts, uses all the factory hardware, whatever else. Check it out, right.Design.com, and they're there. See you guys.